Hello, if you have some issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly with your POCO X7 Pro, then let me try to help you with that. So first of all, what we can do is go to the settings and we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Now over here, first check if there is an update for your Bluetooth version. If there is an update, then you will see this information over here and you want to simply press update in order to do that. So make sure that your Bluetooth is actually up to date, and after that you want to restart. Once you restart, you want to of course go back. The Bluetooth should restart as well, and you should be trying to reconnect with your Bluetooth device. If that doesn't help, if you seem to be connected, or if you cannot really connect with your POCO X7 Pro, your Bluetooth device to the POCO X7 Pro, then if you have it saved, if you have your Bluetooth device saved, then you can tap the arrow on the right side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna unpair the device completely. After that, what you can do is also close your Bluetooth device, and we're gonna restart Bluetooth completely on our phone by turning it off and on. And after that, we're gonna reopen our Bluetooth device and we're gonna enter the pairing mode. So if you can enable the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device, then do that. And after that, we should be able to detect our device again. If the phone is not looking for new devices, then remember that you can refresh over here and then try to connect your Bluetooth device again. Now in my case it works just fine, but of course in your case it might still not work. If it still doesn't work, if the device cannot be detected but it was connected before, then you can also try to go to additional settings and make sure that the option pair compatible devices is enabled. And you might also need to enable the option to show Bluetooth devices without names. In some cases it might be actually quite helpful. Now if that doesn't help at all, if the issue is still there is one more thing that you can do. So we're gonna go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna go to more connectivity options. And over here we can scroll down just a little bit to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Over here we can select Bluetooth. Oh, we cannot really select, so we can only reset these three things at once. And since it also includes mobile data and Wi-Fi, we need to keep in mind that those options will be reset as well. And since it includes mobile data, we can also select our SIM card which we want to reset. Now since I have two SIM cards inserted, then I can choose the SIM card. If you have only one SIM card, then you probably don't even have this option to choose because, well, there is no reason to show you this. Now, once you are certain, that you want to reset, then we're gonna press reset settings at the bottom. You will need to enter your screen lock password. Let's go next. And let's confirm that you want to reset. And there we go, we can press OK. Now keep in mind once again that Wi-Fi will be also reset, so you will need to connect to your Wi-Fi again. And after that, once we reset, we want to go back of course to the Bluetooth. We need to make sure that it is enabled. You can turn off and on your Bluetooth device again, and once again go to the pairing mode. And I hope that helps. So once you are in the pairing mode, you should be able to once again detect your device and then try to connect with your POCO X7 Pro. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!